Okay, two things to say before
playing
we start
admin
the video.
today.
We're doing admin. First of all, thank you so much for 20 subscribers. 20
Oh my god, there's fart
it's
sounds.
amazing. And also, Julia Swiftrain commented on my video. And puppies.
Yes.
And puppies and memory.
Yeah,
I don't even know what to say. Thank you so much, Julia. We really love your videos. You're such an inspiration to us. I know lots of YouTubers who don't really care about their subscribers, and they just do it for the money and to be famous and stuff like that. But people like Julia and like Cersei Online United, she hit 2,000. Congrats for that. They actually care about their subscribers. They heart every single one.
Yeah, it's
They
not
don't
like
do
you're
it
my
for the
favorite
money.
subscriber because you're like it's not like that.
It's not like, no. We love all of our subscribers. We're so grateful for them. And I just can't believe someone she's just like a really good YouTuber, and I really admire her. Oh my god, I just got flown. But I just really admire her, and she's an inspiration to all of us.
Yeah, because
She
so
cares about every single one of her subscribers.
yeah, and she's so calm about everything.
Because some people aren't. They get really angry or they get offended by something that isn't that offensive.
Yeah.
And I just want to thank y'all and I just want to thank all of y'all and for Julia for supporting us and for just
everything.
for everything. Y'all being so nice to us and subscribing and hitting this milestone.
Yeah.
Let's stop being bushy, and I know y'all are probably gonna skip this part or something. You took my bear gun!
No, I didn't. I dropped it.
Oh no! Run!
Okay, this admin is crazy.
Yeah, but that's what's good about it.
Ah! God.
This dude is so annoying. I'm so
He
going
said
to.
kill cool. Yeah, I know. He kept saying poop rat, kill rat.
So HDH. I'm gonna put HDH. So let's see if it works. Kill.
Okay.
HDH.
This is thank you guys. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, I just can't believe it.
It's amazing.
It's just like.
We're real. This is amazing.
He did it.
Oh my god. Somebody whited out my screen.
Jerking.
What is
Jerking.
this? What is this? White.
Alright, he wants to get trolled. I'll show y'all what. Wait.
Oh my god, I have this.
I'm gonna search if y'all can see my thing. I'm gonna search.
No one told me.
Second.
Right now I'm trying to do something.
So y'all can see it. So I'm gonna search Roblox ID songs. Okay, wait, what song do y'all want to play in the background? So yeah, we'll search it.
Okay, so shoot. I'm just gonna go. Okay.
Okay, let's just search Savage Love Roblox ID.
Oh my god.
Because I'm getting.
Oh my god!
What does the rain do? The flag.
Okay. I don't want to go do news.
Alright, oh my god.
Okay. I'm just
Okay, so I'm just killing a bunch of people.
I just can't believe we are.
We're trying to find a background song for this. Okay, this guy's being
Can
so
you type
annoying.
it?
I know it's so weird.
Cool. Stop, no.
Song 504 719.
Somebody's she's controlling my phone.
227. What? I don't get this.
Alright, so we're playing Mountains.
Maybe it's music. Music.
Wait,
I'm sorry everyone's so annoying. Like, this isn't in the video.
Yeah.
50471.
Wait, oh my god. I'm gonna run over here and get my stuff.
Like, these people are so annoying.
I'm gonna say, Flash, don't do it again as a joke. Okay.
You're welcome, friends.
Thank you. This is Savage Love. I love this song.
You're welcome. I'll have it on copy in a second.
If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be single for
Yay, this is such a good
met
song.
you. Usually don't be fine.
Oh, Robux. No.
No, stop.
What is this thing?
I just found out the only
It just keeps skipping.
to get back at you is love about the
How do you make the music?
Ew, no, it's this guy. He's so annoying.
How do you make the music?
He's not an actual person. He's just an actor.
Shoot.
Stop! Get Rex. But I just can't thank y'all. Oh my god, this is chaos. I'm just trying to think. I just can't thank y'all enough for like the subscribers and everyone who's done support and Julia. I just can't
Yeah.
do this.
Yeah,
It's ironic. I have a music video, so.
Oh, you can make yourself fly. You just do this. Fly, you can make yourself fly.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh, I forgot about that. I know that dance to Savage Love. Can I teach y'all? It's really easy.
Well, right now we're. Oh my god! We're just going in circles. This is fine.
Let's see how far we can go inside.
Oh my god, this is a crazy admin. Oh my gosh. Okay. Comment down below if you want to see this. I'm spamming spacebar so hard right now.
I think you can hear. I just can't think y'all enough.
I'm
I know
spamming.
I'm annoying and mushy and stuff like that, but I just can't. I like thinking. It's all y'all's fault that I'm here. It's your fault.
It's you, guys. It's you.
That means love.
Drop me now. Okay. Well, I think that's going to be all for this video.
Yeah, but
I
just,
will definitely make sure to
this
see you
is
guys in the next
short.
one.
But it's just like, I just want to thank y'all so much for this milestone. I know it's small. Stop.
Yeah.
I know it's small, but it's big to us. And thank you, just Julia. I just can't stop thanking her.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. My milestone is 30. And when I do 30, I don't know what I'm going to do, but it's going to be something special.
My milestone is 20. If we get to 20, there will be a huge giveaway or something like that, or a big party thing. I don't know. what
Yeah,
it's gonna be.
it's going to be a live stream. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe on my channel.
But
yeah, thank you so much.
Bye.